Hi folks, we can add a photograph to our G-code in Pathpilot that can show us how to correctly set up a part and really increase the level of long-term process reliability. Let's show how. I'm going to start with a Fusion 360 model. This is actually a pretty cool cubic trisection puzzle that we're filming for an upcoming Wednesday widget. And the fixturing here really matters. And so as we've grown, we've got more people running the machines, we've got newer interns, we've got jobs that we're pulling in from, say, a year ago. The ability to add a picture to quickly show or remind yourself is actually a pretty darn cool thing. I've created a folder by going to Setup, New Folder. And that's just to kind of keep things clean, to remind myself, okay, all this is adding the G-code for that photo. I've got two lines. They're almost identical. And I created these by going to Setup, Manual NC, and changing the type from comment to pass through. And here I type M00 open paren screen.jpg. You'll need to change the file name to obviously whatever picture file name you're using. I did a second one that's M01. You do need two of them. That's how we got it to work on our end. Seems to be some debate online about what you need to do and what's right and what's wrong, but again, that's what worked for us. So now when we post this code, we've got these two M codes being passed through. Take a look at what happens. We hit cycle start. The Pathpilot screen that normally shows your toolpaths changes to this photograph, and it's a photograph that we just took with our iPhone, threw it into any of the free online image editors. You could also use Photoshop or even PowerPoint. But that's going to let you easily do things like write text, draw arrows, and really make it bulletproof. I find that we forget, where's that coordinate system? How do you flip something? Do you orient it? Is it really critical? And not only are you going to save from making crashes, but you're going to just make better parts because you've got less stress on worrying, do I need to run back to check something? Or hovering with your finger over the space bar, just not sure what exactly is going to happen next. After you edit that picture, copy it over to a thumbstick or a card here on how we can map the network drive so you can access your Tormach Pathpilot controller from any PC in your network. Really nice way to post files and get rid of the old SneakerNet USB thumbsticks. But create a folder called Images, pop the name of that photo in there. We just called ours Screen here, but a better idea would be to name it something descriptive that relates back to that part or project, and you're good to go.